Hello, on the second part, I would like to speak about important factors, skills at design for injection molding process. Without knowledge, skills can be focused. From my side, I would like to propose two books. The left one is very common and of course very good position. Right one, despite the title, has also a lot of information which are useful during journey with injection molding. Of course, it's not needed to start with the biggest caliber. Sometimes it's need to just begin. In such situation, I would like to suggest three quiet tutorials articles. One thing is important here. It's good to get knowledge from reputable companies or authors. So I have defined 2 points, regular wall thickness and definition for injection position, which allow to balance fill. To speak about wall thickness is needed to understand mathematical formula of cooling time. This formula applies to simple plate. In table is visible what is happening with cooling time when wall thickness is increasing is longer. This is logic. On chart, this relationship is more visible. Why I have mentioned about cooling time? A plastic part is good to know about shrinkage and warpage. Shrinkage is different for each material kind. For example, for PCIBS, it is about 0.6%. If the wall thickness is regular, shrinkage is also regular. And of course, this cause warpage is also regular, or it can be said warpage in each direction is the same. This matches very good for plate. Going back to our task plan, geometry is not so simple. Cooling will be not so effective in compared to flat plate. Shrinkage will be different according to cooling effect. Now, when we will add typical mistake at edge fillet, then I am sure that no one will be buy our dustpan because the warpage will be so big. This way, regular wall thickness is so important at plastic part design. And now, one of the most interesting topic by injection molding. Fill the nest. We see three possibilities for filling the dustpan. We see two injection from side, filling along the part, and one position where injection is from middle of the part. Injection from middle is faster. Melt has half of the part distance. Fill is more balanced with this solution. Back phase will be also more effective. I have mentioned about balanced filling and effective back phase. Balance fill can be understood as situation that each region of our geometry is filled at the same time. To each, of course, to each situation is needed an individual approach that allow us to choose the optimal solution. Primary task for injection point is filling the nest. This is not so surprising, of course. Plastic material has shrinkage. After filling phase, shrinkage causes smaller part and finally warpage. Injection point in this stage allow to add material and minimize the part warpage. This is possible when injection point is in good position. This way, at injection molding, it is defined as length to thickness factor. Definition is very easy. 1 mm thickness, 100 mm to fill, factor is 100. 2 mm thickness, then factors is 50. More complicated geometry will be harder to analyze. My proposal will be to have factor in area 100 to maximal 150. Short summary. Regular wall thickness allows to have regular shrinkage and the warpage. Wall thickness is also important to have good filling behavior. This way, at dustpan, the bottom wall has 3 mm and the wall all around has 2.5. Injection point Position should allow to get balanced feeling. And thank you so much for attention. I wish you a good project. Bye bye.